this must be the outpost Sid mentioned.
It looks like a hub for hunters.
Maybe they know something.
Your Highness, I'm glad you're safe.
Monica, where are all the others?
Most of the Crown's Guard didn't make it. It was all we could do to escort Lady Iris out of the city. Dustin is with her as we speak, seeing her the rest of the way to Lestalem.
I owe you guys big time.
Head for the Royal Tomb. The Marshal awaits.
Across the land, Scylla blossoms from Tenebrae can be seen displayed in memoriam, with no remains to mourn.
Can't keep up with this guy.
First the Crown City, then Hammerhead, then the Royal Tomb?
His nickname should have been Kor the Restless.
Somehow not as catchy as Kor the Immortal.
Making it out of insomnia only adds to his legend.
Well, fortune favors the bold.
Huh?
The wise make their own luck.
You think it's a coincidence he's made it out of all those battles alive?
Heads up!
Bastards fly! Wonder what drew him to the Royal Tomb.
Morbid curiosity. Only one way to find out.
I got this. You just sit back and watch how it's done.
I bet I could show you a thing or two.
Well then, by all means.
Simmer down.
Impressive. That's how it's done.
That's a new one hit him!
Try this. We're here.
A tomb fit for royalty.
Let's go in and find the Marshal.
Get lost! Times.
Enough talk. Time for some action.
Marshal.
At last, Your Highness.
Yeah. Wanna tell me what I'm here for?
The power of kings passed from the old to the new through the bonding of souls. One such soul lies before you. To claim your forebear's power is your birthright and duty as king.
My duty as king of what?
Now is not the time to question your calling. A king is sworn to protect his people.
And yet he chose to protect only one prince. Was that his calling? Forsake the masses to spare his own son?
How long will you remain the protected? The king entrusted the role of protector to you.
Entrusted it to me. Then why didn't he tell me that? Why did he stand there smiling as I left? Why? Why did he lie to me?
That day, he didn't want you to remember him as the king. In what time you had left, he wanted to be your father. He always had faith in you, that when the time came, you would ascend for the sake of your people.
Guess he left me no choice.
Majesty. That's not the only power your forebears left you. Your journey's just begun. Another tomb lies close by. I suggest you head there next. There are tombs scattered across the land. All are on dangerous ground. I'll go with you, for the time being. Not only to help, but to get a measure of your strength.
So, just how many of these powers are out there?
There are... "13 known royal arms, each enshrined at a royal tomb. I know the location of only a few. I've enlisted the help of the hunters. They comb the land in search of the lost tombs.
Where's the one nearby you mentioned?
Beatrix Ridge. We know there to be a crypt. Deep inside the place.
You're out! What? My hand slipped.
That wasn't a bad effort, Prompto.
Whoa! I just got praised by the immortal.
Don't take that as a lead to slack off. You're only as good as your last battle.
Yes, sir. I'll keep at it, sir.
Long years ago, we waged a fierce battle here against the Empire. It all went to ruin. And after that, the Empire moved in like it owned the place.
I don't like the look of those numbers.
Numbers alone don't decide a battle. What you lack in numbers, you make up for in tactics. Focus now. No one will take the battle.
Here I am! Gladio!
Pathetic.
Nice work, Gladio!
Guess I slipped up there.
Set. But for full.
Ignis, take care of Noct.
Roger that, Marshal.
Are you paying attention? So long!
That's it.
What's up, Iggy?
I've come up with a new recipe.
Can't wait to try it.
Here's where we go our separate ways. Take this key. It unlocks the doors to the other tombs. Seek them out and lay claim to the power they hold. You'll need it.
And what will you do?
Keep an eye on the Nifs. Find out what they're up to. But you should focus on your own task.
I will. You take care. Here we go.
Keep it real, huh?
Huh? Look!
There's a door.
What is this place?
It appears to have been a shelter.
Huh. What's this? A cable? Wonder where? Don't like the look of that ceiling.
Yeah, long overdue for some TLC.
Sure hope it holds up. I hate that I can feel eyes on us. The second we turn our backs, bam!
Quit being a wuss.
What was that?
My bad. Kick the can.
You are killing me here, big guy. Are you trying to give me a heart attack? This is locked
If
as
this
well.
one's a locking, let's go a knocking.
Hello? Anybody home? I'm coming in. Ever wonder if people, like, died here? And they're maybe... I don't know.
Whatever it is, it's playing with us.
Hey, wait.
What?
Need to brace for this.
Bummer. It's locked.
Oh, it doesn't even open, huh? It came from there. What is it now? Above us!
Look out!
Huh?
What is it?
That wasn't there before.
You're on fire today!
Big deal. What's this?
Back to it.
Locked. Total shocker.
Hey, if something's worth locking up.
It's worth seeking out.
Oh,
A place to lurk if I've ever seen one.
totally. It's safe, right?
No.
Hey, didn't we already...
Try this! See ya! Hey, where'd you learn that one, Knox?
Nothing to it.
First time through here, right?
Looks it.
Nice! Another one. Knocked! Another one out! Wow, that was embarrassing.
I know. Let's go.
Indeed. Nope.
Wait, hear that? Ooh, this looks promising.
In an ominous sort of way.
Stay sharp.
That's what I need now.
Eyes peeled, mouth closed. How we holding up?
Getting by. Gladio, do it! Nice work, Gladio.
You paying attention?
What?
Ain't got much life left in it. No mercy. Yes,
It's over. Oh yeah. That's weird.
The hell?
So Noct borrows the old king's powers.
More or less. At this rate, he'll soon rival his father's legacy.
The copycat king.
Out of line. Yeah?
Finally picked up. But I'd lost another king.
Just busy building my arsenal.
Good to hear. I have a task for you. The Empire's begun construction of a new base, along the road west to the sky. I need you to put it out of commission. If left unchecked, it will cost us access to the west and all the royal tombs that lie beyond. I believe you've met Monica. She can fill you in on the details. Go see her.
What's up?
People to see, bases to burn. Let's go see Monica at the outpost.
Come to think of it, we did spy a large structure.
Yeah, hard to miss a this thing like that.
It ain't gonna be easy taking down a whole stronghold.
Can we really do this?
The Marshal can, or he wouldn't have asked us. But first things first.
Right. Let's head back to the outpost.
Not! Bronco's in trouble!
Yep!
We're sorely overmatched, Doctor. Let us retreat.
Man, who knew Cora was such a badass?
I'm just glad he's on our side.
And here we are.
Your Highness, the Marshal has apprised me of the plan. We've found a back door into the Imperial base. I'll mark the route on your map. The way is secure. You should be able to gain entry relatively easily.
So, who is this Monica person?
A servant of the Crown, like Gladio and myself.
She's one of my father's best, along with Dustin, who's guarding my sister.
Good to know we still have people we can count on outside the city.
From here, we will split into two groups. Prince Noctis, please join the Marshal up ahead. The rest of you will assist me in the diversionary effort.
I'll see you guys later.
You go give him hell. We'll do the same on our end.
Once we're in, we launch our ambush, pushing out while support pushes in, crushing the enemy from both sides.
Remember, a king fights with dignity.
I'll get right on that. Life's a little easier with Core around.
Don't get used to it. Have a gun above us!
Got it! Try this!
Get ready!
Will the others be all right on their own?
Worrying will only compromise your focus.
Yeah.
Walk through the park. So it should be. Otherwise, you'd only get in everyone's way.
Could have gone it alone if I wanted.
That mentality could prove your undoing, Highness.
Knocked!
Marshal, it's good to see you again.
All right on your end?
Right as rain. The Nifs couldn't take their eyes off us.
Thanks to you, we were spared their attention.
Stay right where you are. Well, if it isn't Core the Immortal. So, you survived the Citadel. But you won't survive what I have in store for you. It's past time your legend came to an end.